Recto, magkano yung budget natin for 2026?
Roughly 6.7 trillion.
Ano po yung projected revenue po natin?
Roughly 5 trillion.
That's why you said we are expecting a deficit of 1.6 trillion pesos for
More or less.
next
Cash
year.
deficit. Cash, yes.
gas.
Yes.
And that will mean 133 billion per month, 4.4 billion per day
Yes.
na uutangin natin,
That is correct.
or 185 million pesos per hour.
That is correct.
Nakakatakot, di ba?
Totoo po yun.
Pero sabi mo kanina, wag tayong mag-alala kasi alam nyo, nasa ano pa naman ito eh.
Correct.
Manageable, sabi mo
But
kanina.
for as long as we grow faster than the debt, if the economy grows faster than the debt, then we outgrow the debt and we pay down the debt.
That is the problem.
Ang masama, if the debt is growing faster than the economy.
Yun nga eh.
Yes, sir.
At ano na yung outstanding debt natin sa ngayon?
Roughly 17 trillion.
17 trillion, what is the debt to GDP ratio?
61% because the economy is roughly 28 trillion. But that's one benchmark. There's another benchmark, yung general government debt. Doon naman, mga 57% lang tayo. At katulad doon nabanggit ko kanina sa presentation ko, meron naman tayong upgrade sa ating mga rating agencies dahil nakikita nila na the economy is still growing faster than the rate of our debt.
Kasi ang
Ang mahalaga, we reduce the deficit over time.
yung aking mga kaibigan na mga pessimists, sabi nila, alam mo, yung comfortable na ratio is 60%. Ngayon,
Tama po yun. Nung araw,
na-breach mo na yung ano parang lumampas na tayo ron.
depende yan kung ano ang debt mo. Katulad nung nabanggit ko kanina, 70% of our debt is domestic.
Hindi, 69% na sinabi mo kanina.
Oh, 69, 70%. Roughly,
Okay,
70%. Yes.
Kasi tinatandaan ko lahat ng sinasabi mo.
Tama po yan. Tama po yan.
Ganito
So, 69% ang
Okay.
domestic.
Ang sabi mo kanina, pumaya pa tayo because, ang domestic natin ay 69%.
Correct.
At lahat naman ng yan ay napupunta na dagdag na kita ng ating mga kababayan.
Utang natin sa ating sarili. Tama po yan.
Yes, sir.